Got a little side project going today. Repair the glove box on my C6 Corvette. A new one cost about 60 bucks, so I'm going to see what I can do to repair this. A typical C6 lock for the glove box. And these things break quite frequently from what I've been understanding looking on the web. Well, I was fooling around today, so I did a little bit of work on it. And you can see over here where this piece is here. The top of this plastic piece breaks. So basically what I did is I just ran a piece of metal up there and I was able to glue it to the back part of this, and it's holding up very well. And instead of spending 60 bucks, I spent about 10-15 minutes working on that, and the glove box latch is fixed. Anyhow, the materials I used for this repair just had laying around in the garage. I looked around and I found a thin piece of metal about the size of that. And the glue that I used to glue it to the plastic after I shaped everything was this. It should take you about 20 minutes to complete it. As you've seen after the repair, it works fine. And it'll probably last longer than the original plastic did. One last piece. Don't forget when you're putting this latch back in that there's a little lip that it slides in right here. You have to slide it into the back of it. Make sure you slide it in, then tighten it down. Otherwise you risk breaking the area that it mounts to, which I did. I put a washer there, but that's just one little tip.